Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and today I'm back again with another unboxing and first impressions for everyone. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Boltune Truly Wireless Stereo Earbuds. In particular, this is the 4th generation. This is the BT-BH024. Alright, so I was originally going to pick this bad boy up a little bit later on down the line, but one of my viewers expressed interest in seeing coverage, and I checked it out the other day, and these were available at a really great price, which was even better with a discount coupon. So I figured, why not? Okay, so I was actually able to pick these bad boys up for $50 after a $10 discount coupon. Let me show y'all real quick. Okay, so these are the bad boys right here. So this is the Boltune BT-BH024s, and you can see it was $59.99. After the $10 discount, it came down to $49.99, so 50 bucks. And at that price, I figured, why not? All right, so this is my unboxing and first impressions, and let's get into it. Now, starting off, the first thing I want to talk about with you guys and gals is the overall packaging and presentation. Now, in typical Boltune fashion, the packaging and presentation on this is really nice. So you can see we got the white and red color scheme. We got the little bit of company branding up at the top, nicely labeled. We got a nice picture of the earbuds right here. Around the side of the packaging, we got the company website on either the right or the left side. So as you can see, there's the right and here's the left. Really good stuff. Nothing across the bottom. Then across the top, we got a barcode for information and inventory purposes, a breakdown of what the product is right there. Let me get y'all a close-up. And then we have some serial numbers right there. Across the back, we got the same serial numbers, barcode scanner tab to take out some more information, and some more information on the company right there. So all in all, I have to say, when we talk about the packaging and presentation, it is really good, and I always feel like Boltune's packaging and presentation is top notch. All right, cracking the box, because I already cracked all the tapes and seals off camera. Let's get in here. And another thing that I like about Boltune's packaging and presentation, they seem to improve their presentation and packaging every iteration. My bad, y'all, you know I can't talk. So you can see, if you checked out any of my other Boltune products that I've reviewed, you can see just how the packaging differs from generation to generation, and they seem to make very slight improvements that are, you know, it's not big, but it's noticeable when you talk about the unboxing experience. So you can see sliding the product out of the package here, we're greeted with this nice breakdown of how to pair up the product, okay, what the charging case looks like, and everything is nicely labeled. And then it shows you how to put the earbuds in your ears, and then you got the model number for the earbuds right there, and it pairs up left and right. So really good stuff in my opinion. Okay, really nice presentation. I really do enjoy their unboxing experience. Now, cracking the box, we are greeted with a thank you card. Okay, so you can just see company branding on the front, thank you on the back, with another barcode for you to scan. And also, this also doubles as your warranty card. So if you flip it open, now this is not new, I've featured this in my other Boltune videos, but this is really nice and I really enjoy it. So good stuff there. Okay, then we're greeted with the quick start guide right here. Okay, and then we're greeted with the user manual for more information right here. Now this is a big and beefy user manual, so I'm not going to cover this on camera, but I will take y'all through the quick start guide, and as I always do, we'll cover everything you guys and gals need to know in the full review. Alright, so y'all stay tuned for that. Okay, but we do have our quick start guide, our user manual, our warranty card in the box, Then we got our earbud tips right here. Okay, and I do believe these come in a small and medium. I do believe the large tips are already on the earbuds. So that's that. Then we have our USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. So these earbuds do support USB Type-C, and they do support fast charging as well. So really good stuff there. All right. So in particular, when we talk about fast charging, Boltune is touting 10 minutes of charge will give you an hour of usage. All right. And to go along with that, they're also touting that on a full charge, you will get up to 7 hours of usage on the buds, and you'll get an additional 42 hours, including the charging case. So if you do the math there, 7 hours of usage, and I think in the product details it said 35 hours with the case. So that's where they're getting that 42-hour playback mark from, which is really nice. Also, these earbuds are packing in Bluetooth 5.0 with extended range. So these bad boys bump the range from 10 meters or 33 feet to 20 meters or 66 feet, which is really, really nice. They're also packing IPX8 sweat and water resistance. And as you saw in the first part of the packaging, you can use these in stereo mode or independent mode. So that is really nice. Other features include they are packing dual microphones on each earbud. I'm going to show y'all in a minute here. So that's really nice as well. All right. So really solid core feature set in my opinion. Okay. Really good stuff. All right, and I do want to take this time to apologize for the lighting because it is thunderstorming outside, so I can't use daylight. So I do apologize if the lighting is not the best. But that pretty much goes over all of the packaging there. So you can see nothing else in the box there. Now, give me 1 second. I just want to pause. I want to take some of this stuff out of the packaging so y'all can better showcase it, and then I'll be right back. I'm also going to clean up this area a little bit as well. So give me 1 second. I will be right back. Alright, so here we go. I cleaned up the space a little bit, and I took some of the primary stuff out of the packaging to better showcase it. So here you can see inside of the packaging here, we have our small earbud tips and our medium earbud tips. The large earbud tips come already on the earbuds themselves. And then we have our slim profile, flat cable, USB-A to USB Type-C, as you can see right there. So really, really good stuff. Really nice high quality cable. Now I have a bunch of USB Type-C quality cables, so I may not even use these, but I just wanted to showcase it for you guys and gals right there. Okay, so good stuff there. Let's put this off to the side now, and let's put this off to the side so we don't have anything flying off the table. Now let's quickly showcase the case itself and the earbuds. I'm going to try it on. I'm going to give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. Then we're going to quickly run through the quick start guide, and then we're going to wrap this video up. All right. So talking about the case, I do like Boltune's case design on this. They kind of went with that denim jeans material, and you can kind of see that it's like a denim gray material. I like it, and we have that company branding up at the top, and because of that material, that makes the case extremely easy to open and close. And then you can see we have one LED light on the front. Really good stuff there. Nothing on the bottom, and then on the back we got a power button, and we got a USB Type-C charging port, and we got a nice aluminum faux band here going around the case here. Really nice presentation, and I do like the overall look. So really good stuff there. Now, opening up the case, we are greeted with the earbuds, and you can see the case itself is nice and labeled. Now, once you open the case, the buds do power on, and they pair up to each other, and then it goes into pairing mode. And you can see each bud does have some really nice company branding, and that company branding is the touch sensitive area for the buds as well. And then you can see, if I get it real nice and close, we do have the microphones. So there are 2 microphones built into each earbud here. Really nice microphone design. This is supposed to make it really good for noise cancellation and phone calls. We're going to put that to the test as well, because they're touting noise cancellation with these earbuds and really good microphone performance. All of that stuff we're going to put to the test, and I'm going to let y'all know how they perform in the full review. Really good stuff there. Popping it out, let's see how easy it is to take out. So that came out fairly easy. That's the right, and let's do the left. So they do come out of the case extremely easy. I like that. Here's a close-up look at the case. Really good stuff there. We do have some nice a model skew on the hinge of the case there. Nice, nice. Really good stuff. Okay. And let's do a close-up of the buds. So as you can see, it powered on, it paired to each other, and then this indicates that they're in pairing mode. So I gotta tell y'all, first impressions of the buds, this is a really nice design, really nice company branding, really nice stem design here, I like that. Really nice earbuds with the large tips on them. Flipping it to the inside, you can see our charging pins right there with our label right there. Let that camera focus. So this is the right, good stuff. So let's pop this in real quick. Okay, that's the right. And oh, that went in really nicely. And now let's do the same thing on the left. So really nice company branding. Okay, really nice quality earbud here. And you can see your label right there on the inside with your charging pins. Good stuff. Let's drop this in as well. Okay. All right, now, first impressions of the overall fit and the feel. Now, with the earbuds in, they just went into pairing mode. They want me to pair up my device. With the earbuds in, I get a really nice tight seal. Okay, and I can already tell you the sound isolation is going to be really good on these. Now, I hope I'm not yelling into the microphone because I really can't hear myself talk. But let's do a quick shake test. Okay, so shaking very vigorously. Kind of gave myself a headache. They're not popping out. They're not even moving around. So first impressions of the fit and the feel. Very solid fit. Very good feel. Top notch in my opinion. Good stuff there. Okay? Really nice. Okay, let me take a real quick selfie for y'all. Okay? Pixel 2 XL on deck. Take the selfie real quick. Bye, y'all. And let's let that process. And let's see. So just so y'all see what these earbuds look like in my ears. There you go. So really nice, very sleek, very minimalist. And this is a side profile. Let me take a real quick front profile for y'all. Sorry, y'all, you know I can't talk sometimes. Just so you can see what it looks like from the front. So, oh yeah, you can't even tell I have them in. You gotta look very closely. So here's the front profile. Right there. And you really can't tell that I have them in. So again, front and side. Really nice. I like that. That's a really good look. It's very clean. It's very discreet. Good stuff. Alright, so that does it for the overall fit and the feel. Now let's quickly run through this user manual and we'll wrap the video up. Let's get into this. Alright, or this quick start guide, and then we'll wrap the video up. Oh yeah, I was talking really loud. I apologize, y'all, if I was yelling into the mic. Alright. But it fits pretty good. It feels very solid. Now, quick start guide. Now, one of the things I could tell you I'm not liking already is that these have touch controls. So there aren't any physical buttons here. As you can see, you're going to see in a second. So quick start guide, really nicely labeled. And again, you see the model number right there. So BT-BH024. And then as we open it up, you can see it gives you a nice breakdown of the charging case and tells you where everything is. So the power button, the battery indicator, the charging port, and then you can see it does have tap controls for the touch sensitive controls on the earbud. Okay, so a long press for 2 seconds is supposed to bring up Google Assistant. That's a long press on either earbud for 2 seconds, right? Good stuff there. Now, it's supposed to be a single tap for play and pause. A double tap on the right takes you to next track. A double tap on the left takes you to the previous track, right? And a press and hold for 3 seconds will turn up the volume on the right earbud. Press and hold for 3 seconds on the left earbud will turn down the volume. All right, so good stuff there. Okay, so I tried it out a little bit already, and I gotta say I'm not a fan of it because it's very hard to distinguish between when you're turning up and down the volume and when you're activating the Google Assistant. Okay, but we gotta put it to the test and see if it does pan out. But I can tell y'all, after using it for a little bit, I'm not a fan of these touch controls. But it is what it is. Okay. Then they just show you here with a really nice picture how you want to position the earbuds in your ears. Okay, make sure you get a nice comfortable fit. And also, you definitely want to take the time to try on the earbuds to find the best fit and feel as well. So not only do they show you how to put it on, but they also emphasize finding the right earbud tips. And again, this is how they'll pair up to your device. So they'll pair right and left there, and then you should be good to go. So really nice stuff. And here's some company information for y'all as well. So real quick walkthrough of the quick start guide. Flipping it over to the back here, you just get a visual representation of the touch controls. So again, pause and play. Now these do have in-ear detection, similar to your Galaxy Buds. So when you take the buds out of your ear, it will pause the music. And when you put the buds in your ear, it will start playing the music as well. So that's really nice. And you can see play pause functionality, reverse next track, answer and end phone calls, all that good stuff there. Now they do go into this in more detail in the big user manual, but as I said, we'll go over everything you guys and gals need to know in the full review. All right, so real quick walkthrough, real quick unboxing and first impressions, and that pretty much does it for this one. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, if you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to everything that I talked about and featured in this video will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right, my full review for this one should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, so y'all be on the lookout for that, as well as y'all be on the lookout for my fit and sound demo, where I'll give y'all a more in-depth look and as to how the earbuds look in my ears, and I talk about more of the fit and feel, and we get into the demo test. So y'all be on the lookout for that extended coverage. Everything will culminate in my full review, as it always does. Okay? I hope everyone has a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. We are out of here.